So you've been contemplating selling your Bay Area San Francisco home for some time now, but you just can't because you don't know where you're going to go to. Well, you're in luck. In this video, I have several solutions and it's all coming up. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Warren Oberholser. This real estate channel is all about San Francisco Bay Area properties and beyond. So if you're a homeowner or a buyer, please consider subscribing so you don't miss anything. Now, if you'd like to know what's going on currently with our real estate market, both nationally as well as locally, please visit my other YouTube channel. All right, let's get started. Have you been considering selling your Bay Area home but don't have the courage or can pull that trigger because you don't know where you're going to move to or where you're going to live next? Even with the recent rise in mortgage interest rates, it's still a seller's market. Now, I'm located in Northern California, San Francisco region, and more specifically in the East Bay Tri-Valley area. So in this area, we're receiving multiple offers, bidding wars, you know the drill. Properties, the average seems to go 10 to 15% over, and some will see even 20 to 30% over the list price. This is a great thing for sellers, right? It means you're going to close and get top dollar for your property. However, this does raise a problem, right? Think about it. You sell your property, you get top dollar, but you don't want to leave your area where all the bidding wars are. So you try to be the move-up buyer down the street or maybe in a city adjacent to yours, still with a lot of activity. So now you're a buyer and you're competing and you're going to have to pay top dollar for the new home. If you're concerned that you won't be able to find a replacement property when you do sell your home, you're not alone. And there are legitimate reasons for this fear. So again, the problem is we know you're going to get top dollar. I still understand that the market is shifting, okay? Because we're seeing now properties stay for sometimes 2 to 3 weeks. By the way, that's more normal. And we're going to see buyers come in with contingency offers in place. That means if they're getting a loan, they're going to have the appraisal and the inspection, appraisal and the loan contingency. They'll probably order inspections. So they may send you a repair request to do repairs. This is normal real estate. So don't be concerned about that. We still have record low inventory. So that means that it still will be a seller's market, just maybe not a crazy seller's market. So at the end of the day, if your home's prepared right, it's priced accordingly. I've done a number of videos on that. Then you should do okay. All right. You should do more than okay. You'll do fine. So let's say that you've decided to pull the trigger, put it on the market and get this property sold, get your money, and now you need to face the fact or the dilemma of where are you going to move to. The solution for the Tri-Valley sellers considering purchasing in the greater Sacramento area. There are several reasons why this works, and I'm going to list them all right now. Number one, there is more inventory. Number two, homes are half the cost of the Bay Area and particularly the Tri-Valley area. So again, as I said, interest rates have gone up. The bidding wars are less. You may have your property sit on the market. It will get an offer. It will close and you will get top dollar, especially if you look at how much appreciation has gone up since 2019. I mean, it's been unbelievable. I think in 2021, appreciation was like 24%. I mean, that's just unbelievable. So if you're not rocking it right now, you're still way up. You're going to get top dollar. Now we need to see where you can go to. That's a solution. Now, I know what you're saying. Well, if I move up to the greater Sacramento area, and there's several cities up there, how am I going to work? I'm not ready to retire. Well, a lot of tech companies in the Bay Area do still offer remote work from home opportunities to the employees. Also, employment is growing up there. You know, the last thing about the greater Sacramento area is it's just alive. There's a lot more new construction. They're building new shopping centers, new schools, and it's becoming that sort of area in between the two big hubs for entertainment or activities, because you're like halfway between the Sierras, all right, if you want to go up to Tahoe and ski and do hiking in the summer and all that, but you're still not far from the beach or San Francisco. You're like 2 hours away. So it's actually kind of splits the difference between all the things that Northern California offer. So you're going to say, well, how do I know which city to go to and which one fits, my family best. Well, that will be something you're going to have to investigate. So go up on a weekend, maybe even get a hotel and go through several different cities at one time. Over the next month, I'll be releasing specific videos on the pros and cons for Roseville, Lincoln, etc. So you'll be able to kind of get an idea what cities offer what buildings going on. The bottom line is this is a solution that people haven't been considering. And it really came to me from my own buyers and sellers too, by the way. So again, I'm in the Tri-Valley area. I had sold 3 homes last year where these particular homeowners said, we're not moving out of California. We're just going to Sacramento area. One was literally in Sacramento, and then one of them was a new construction property. I think their home will be completed about September. And I've done a lot of videos on new construction, how to look for the right opportunity. So please, if you don't see that in this channel, it's in my other channel. Take a look at that. And also I've had people who sold this year and said, you know what, my husband got relocated up to that area, so this is a great time to see what city works best. And they did just what I told you. They went up, they looked at different areas, different schools, different opportunities, and they found just the right home. There's also a great, if you think about the sales proceeds you're going to be able to take from the Tri-Valley area, you should be doing pretty well. You could be putting as much as 50% down if these homes are half the cost of what you're selling here. So even with higher interest rates, you're not going to be financing as much. And if the market is starting to slow down a little bit in the Tri-Valley area or in the San Francisco Bay Area, it's going to be slowing down up there as well, even a little more, okay? So this is an opportunity to look into and do your due diligence, go up, take a look at things, and see if you find something. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Post your questions and comments down below, especially if you're considering selling and you're wondering what to do. This seems viable to you, let me know. Or if you're one of those homeowners that said, I'm going to get out of Dodge, I'm going out of California, let me know. Put that in the chat down below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider doing so you don't miss anything. If you like this video, you may want to watch these other 2 because I'm going to go into more detail on what I'm talking about, especially with new construction up in the greater Sacramento area. So stay tuned. I have more helpful videos like this coming soon. Please reach out to me for any of your real estate questions or needs, and I wish you all the best on your home journey.